Videos like these are exploding right now, pulling in millions of views, and some creators are already making good money from them. The best part? You can recreate this in seconds. Today, I'm giving you the exact blueprint that'll set you apart from every other generic channel. Let's dive in. Step 1. The Master Script, ChatGPT. First, every viral video starts with one thing, a good story. We're using ChatGPT for this. Just paste this prompt, check the description, I got you covered, and boom! You get a full script complete with high-stakes dialogues, character actions, and even facial expressions. Step 2. High-end visuals, Google Gemini and Nano Banana 2. Now, let's bring it to life. We're using Google Gemini and Nano Banana 2 for high-quality visuals. Take the scene descriptions from your AI script, plug them into Nano Banana 2, and it instantly generates cinematic 3D characters. I've already pre-generated mine. Look at that detail. But here's where most people mess up. They use low-quality visuals, and that kills the video. Step 3. Bringing it to life. Google Flow AI. Next, it's time for the magic. Head over to Google Flow AI, sign in, and upload your visuals. This is where we plug in those dialogues and actions we generated earlier. Select the frame and ratio. And this is the step that changes everything. Give the AI a few seconds to sync the lips and match the expressions. Download the result once it's ready. I have already mined, so going to step 4, the final polish. To give it that natural human feel, we're moving to step 4. Final editing. After all the frames were generated, simply combine all of these. And that's exactly how creators are using AI to make engaging videos and build income streams online. If you want the monetization breakdown, comment AI and I'll drop it next. Start your journey today with Create with AI. Don't forget to hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.